Oxidative stress leads to the so-called oxidative stress diseases, cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, neurodegenerative diseases, e.g. Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. In addition, several types of tumours, e.g. digestive tumours, are also related to oxidative stress. We must also be aware that smokers are exposed to oxidative stress to an even greater extent. Our vulnerability increases with age, so the older we get, the more vulnerable our organism is. The same problem appears with children, due to their agility and activity. Thus we have to pay special attention to their nutrition in time, so that we can prevent the formation of different diseases later.
Flavon Max product line is an excellent dietary supplement because our products contain many of the fruits and vegetables we need to consume every day. Besides, there are components we hardly ever consume, or we consume less than needed. In addition, our products are made from fully ripe, biologically mature fruits that come from a clean environment. In this way, with the help of this product, we only take in good active substances which our body can use both in winter and summer.
Dietary supplements, especially Flavon Max and Flavon Green, contain a great number of ingredients, up to several thousand. As for their biological function, they act in a totally different way when they stand on their own, under in vitro circumstances and under in vivo circumstances, when occurring together. This means that there are mutual interactions between the ingredients of these dietary supplements. These are so-called synergetic interactions, because the individual components intensify each other's biological effects. They do not simply add up like 1 + 1. The increase can be as high as 1 + 4 due to these mutual interactions.
Our company has 4 products at the moment. This product line is in fact a product family, with each product targeting different groups. Flavon Max is designed for adults who are not subjected to extra stress or physical strain, but simply lead a normal life. However, as they cannot consume enough fruit and vegetable substances every day, Flavon Max can help them make up for what they're missing. Immediately after the appearance of Flavon Max on the market, we realized that children need a different product, because Flavon Max contains ginseng, which should not be given to children. That is how Flavon Kids, the version for children, was born. It contains all the fruits which are necessary for children and their developing organism to allow it to develop properly and resist infections. That is why it contains sour cherry and blackberry. I recommend Flavon Max Plus to sports people, managers and all those who are subjected to serious physical strain. To put it simply, it was designed for all who need a larger amount of antioxidants day by day. Flavon Green is a vegetable jam containing 10 types of vegetable and 1 type of fruit. In fact, it has the same function as the 3 fruit-based jams. The only difference is that it provides us every day with nutrients of vegetable origin. Consuming vegetables is more difficult than fruits, because fruits are sweet, and we consume them with pleasure, while vegetables are different. Getting children to eat garlic or broccoli can be difficult, because they probably won't like the idea. However, the vegetable jam is a concentrate containing 11 ingredients, such as celery, spinach, and garlic. The jam-like consistency of our products is also remarkable and original. It is this consistency that makes lots of people join us, because they get a product which reminds them of the jams made by their grandmother. It is a natural form developed along traditional lines. I must also emphasize that this jam-like consistency is a significant innovation, especially the vegetable jam. Grandmothers used to make jam from several fruits, and sometimes from pumpkin as well. However, nobody thought of making jam just from vegetables.
Thanks to our special production process, we can concentrate the active substances of 35 to 40 kilograms of fruit in a single jar of jam. Solid forms are the least effective in terms of releasing bio-ingredients, while jams are the most. If we wanted to express the rates in numbers, solid forms would be 1, liquids would be 5 or 6, while the effectiveness of the flavonoids found in our jam would be around 20. Our stomach acts like a bioreactor, which is a fairly extreme environment. If the nutrients we ingest, for example in the form of a dietary supplement, dissolve in the stomach, they will not reach the small intestines to be absorbed from there. Nevertheless, jam-like consistency prevents nutrients from dissolution, enhances absorption, and increases bioavailability. When selecting the raw materials used for Flavon Max products, the basic requirement of our company is that these materials be of approved quality. This is guaranteed by several quality assurance systems, and meeting the requirements of the HACCP system and ISO 22000 are equally essential for our company. We have conducted several trials to test the biological effect of flavonoids on tumor cell lines. And we concluded that they destroy digestive and colorectal tumor cells. That means they definitely have chemopreventive and anti-tumor effects. Besides, they inhibit the formation of type 2 diabetes and influence its development. They've also been proven to possess an antiviral effect. However, I must emphasize that these substances are not medicines, and their positive effects are not the same as the curative effect of medicines. They are necessary for the proper functioning of our organism and have a decisive role in chemoprevention. In other words, the prevention of diseases, and can influence our state of health. Our scientific results show that neither Flavon Max nor Flavon Green have toxic side effects.